What's good, guys? The boy Praise Alaska dude. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I'm saying today I'm back with another bang. Is it a bang? Well, okay, today I'm back with another video. I want to show you what happened to kuHeroes Eka. Is it kuHeroes Day? I want to show you entrance and outrance. Sorry, entrance and exit. Yeah, Mr. President Robert. Yeah, Mr. President Ed Munangagwa. With all respect, I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say. Since when I'm saying. So if it's okay, please like me, share, subscribe to the channel for more and more content. I'm saying. Let me just show you. I'm not gonna say anything. And it's no raw is like the towers. And tower. What's the fear? Why don't you protect a chi? I'm not attacking you. I'm not telling you the politics. Let me just show you entrance. Yeah, Mr. President, me out here. Doing it entrance. Mr. President, let me show you outro. you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel for more and more content. I'm saying thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you guys for watching my content. Thank you guys for 3,000 subscribers. It's not easy, man, to get 3,000 subscribers. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel for more and more content. I'm saying peace out.